of these private schooling. So very good morning to the impartial board of judges, respected teachers, parents, and my dear fellow competitors. As they looked around, they were treated by rich times in your life. So fasten your seatbelts as we begin the journey, exploring the past to enlighten our future.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
We enter proposal. Actually, we don't know where we are.
Oh, young man, what did happen? Tell me.
Actually, sir, last night we went to a science lecture. But suddenly we saw a special machine there. Then we tried on it what it would do. By mistake, my friend touched a light on it. And finally we called it a beautiful machine.
Oh no, now I can understand what will happen. You will have moved to 16th century through the time machine.
Oh my god, what? We had moved from 20th to 16th century?
Oh, never mind, brother. Do it now. Since you will come here, I will explain some mesmerizing information about this world.
Thank God.
Come on.
Oh, here we go.
There are two types of animals in this world.
Hey, good morning, Professor.
Hey buddy. Explain about you.
I'm a vertebrate. Can you see my backbone? Oh, then we are invertebrate.
Oh, wait, I'm on the way. I can come so fast.
Don't hurry. We know you can't move fast because you don't have a spinal cord. So, come with me. Let's learn the vertebrates. So, can anyone guess vertebrates do as well proper?
I know. Pisces, amphibia, Nidaria.
Nidaria?
Oh, yeah.
Reptilian mammalia.
Then what about Tavis?
Yes, the 5 groups are Mammalia, Discus, Amphibia, Reptilia, and Aves. So, what do you know about Discus?
Hey guys, I can explain you about Viscous group. As you can see, I'm a fisherman.
Oh buddy, let's explain you about you.
The fish that are well adapted for water is belong to this group. They lived in freshwater and marine environments. However, not all the fish belong to this group. For an example, dolphin and whale. They can swim in the water, they are well adapted for water, but they do not belong to this group. They are mammals. True, viscous have special characteristics to identify them. First thing is, they have a cartilaginous or bony skeleton. They breathe through their gills, not from the lungs. They have eyes, but unlike humans, they do not have eyelids. Their whole body is covered with scales. When talk about their body shape is streamlined body shape. So these features makes the viscous more special and different from the other aquatic animals. So did you understand now?
Yes, we will understand what viscous very well.
Okay then, I'm leaving.
What next?
The next group is amphibians. I think amphibians is the organism who can crawl.
What are reasons? Amphibians are called. Reptiles are ones who can crawl. Similarly, amphibians are ones who need water to complete their life cycle. Do you know they are the first organism who are invaded during the evolution process? And also, do you know why frogs live in land and water, both them? They belong to amphibian group. Because of why they have a mucus distinct glands and they have scales on their skin. And these features mainly help us to find out amphibians. In addition to that, they use limbs for locomotion and they do their respiration process by lungs, moist skin and buccal cavity. Did anyone know how many chambers this frog has?
Disconnected. Connected.
No, that couldn't be. I think it's about 2 chambers.
You are totally wrong, guys. Frog has only 3-chamber heart, and they are also cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals mean they change their body temperature according to the normal temperature.
Oh, wow. Good. So that is highly appreciated. And what about the reptiles?
I will explain about the reptile group, sir. Reptiles are well adapted to live on land. They usually live in terrestrial, freshwater as well as in marine ecosystems. Tortoise, turtle, snakes and crocodiles are belongs to this group. You may doubt that crocodiles are live in both land as well as in water and yet belong to the group of reptilia. Crocodiles possess a dry skin with no glands and crocodile have a 3-chambered heart. These main features helps us to figure out the reptiles. Reptiles usually have a dry skin. At the same time, they possess scales on their skin. Also, their skin is not glandular. Then, in addition, they use their limbs for the locomotion. As same as human beings, they carry out their respiration through lungs. Moreover, reptiles are the animals who are cold-blooded. Does anyone know what you mean by cold-blooded animal?
I think they live in a cold area.
Actually not, Buddy. The cold-blooded animal mean who can change their body temperature according to the temperature of the environment they live. Professor, that's the only thing I know about the reptiles.
Oh, yes. And next group is, I think, aves.
Hello, man. How dare you? How did you even think to steal my parrot?
Oh, no. I never do such thing. Don't misunderstand. I didn't take your parrot.
Huh? What did you say? See, my parrot is all this.
Oh, I'm sorry. But I not do that like that. It might become hurt. I'm sorry. Take your parrot.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, ma'am. If you don't mind, can you please tell us some information about the bird group which Aves?
Yes, of course. Birds belongs to group Aves, and they have streamlined body shape for help for their flight, as well as they have no teeth but have a beak for help for getting their foods. They are 4-chambered heart with 2 atrials and 2 ventricles. They are warm-blooded animals who called as homotheric. As well as they are getting they have 4 chambers with 2 ventricles and 2 ventricles, and their body temperature is not adapt to their temperature. So this is a small information about group aves who are birds. Did you understand?
Yes, of course, ma'am. Thank you very much.
So, guys,
Yeah, Professor.
we know that many groups of vertebrates. So,
Yeah.
now I'll ask a question. What is the group is human included?
Actually, I think is that reptilia or something?
Oh,
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I'm an explorer. I'm lost in the woods. Can you please help me find the way?
sure. But first, we must explain about you.
Sure, sir. I'm proud to say that I'm a mammalian. So, now you might be wondering what makes me or us lovers truly special. First and foremost, we members are warm-blooded creatures. What does that mean? Unlike some of our cold-blooded friends, we have the incredible ability to maintain a constant body temperature. Isn't that fantastic? And can any one of you guess how many chambers we have in our heart? 2, 3? Yes, that's right. We have 4-chambered heart. And what about our skin? So our skin, unlike some other creatures, our skin is covered by hair. This feature not only helps us to protect our body, but also to keep our body warm. And next, but that's not all. Our all female mammals contain mammary glands. This helps us nurture our young with milk. But let's not forget about sweat glands. Yes, we sweat. So this feature helps us to cool down our body when we get hot. And imagine what it would be like if we didn't sweat. We would all be walking around like slippery fish out of water. And so, sir, now that you know a lot about mammals, if you think about the mammal closest to you, who do you think it is?
I think it will be me.
That's right, yourself. So, now that you know a lot about mammals, can you please help me find the way back home? And I'm grateful for your encounter. See you, sir. Bye.
I'm so exhausted, sir. I want to go home. I can't move single step now.
Yes, we feel tired. We need to rest now.
Oh, child. Your ear seems so tired. So, let's go to my place and have some snacks and learn more about the invertebrates. So, come on. Take a seat, guys. Take a hint.
Oh, thank you, Professor.
Do you know there are 5 groups of invertebrates?
Oh, really?
In the end, you don't always end up with the people you love. You end up with the ones who choose to stay. Love alone isn't always enough. Real connection is about more than just emotion.
Excuse me, sir.
What is it? What is it?
Hey, sir. What happened?
It's a time. My wife has a lot of experiment about regarding invertebrates.
And what happened?
My wife has died.
So we will hear about it.
The little wonders of the ocean. Cnidarians are usually live in water, and they have a multicellular body that built out of 2 germinal layers. Imagine a cake with 2 sponge layers. That's the chef's design. So cnidarians also have their own design. And there are 2 forms of cnidarians, as Medusa and Polyps. Medusa can go everywhere they like, and they are just like living legends. They are growing up in the deep sea. And next, polyps. Polyps can't go everywhere. They are attached to the surface. And all cnidarians have a radius symmetry just like a pizza. And they all are predators. They are attacking small organisms using their tentacles. And they paralyze them using their nematocytes. And they carry out their generation by doing asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. They are doing asexual reproduction by budding. They are completing a cycle that has kept them alive for 500 million years. So the rhythm of life is passed away from ocean to ocean. So when the next time if you see a sea anemone or a coral or a jellyfish, don't think that they are just floating in the ocean. And the Nidarians are teaching us that the nature's smallest creature can hold the biggest secrets. So the little wonders of the ocean, Nidarians forever mesmerizing.
And next, we have annelids.
Annelids. They are live in damp soil, marine water and fresh water. And their multicellular body makes multicellular body made of 3 germinating layers. Because of that they are called cryptoblastic. And their body is segmented to layers. Because of that they are called segmented worms. And when we talk about their reproduction, they are asexual and sexual. In this whole world, there are so many examples for annelids, like earthworm, nereis, leech, like that, as well as their body is bilateral symmetry. This is most information about annelids.
So guys, can anybody guess which is group we have next?
It's Chironometa.
Firstly, all the Echinodermatas are live in the ocean, and they have a body structure that is divided into 5 radial arms. And they also have a spinal body covering to protect from other animals. And one of the most fascinating thing about Echinodermata is their water vascular system. That system helps them to move and feed, and it's distributed through their body. And the other thing is their tube feet. That tube feet helps them to locomotion and respiration. And the interesting fact about Echinodermatas is they don't have a brain, eyes or a heart. Despite this, they can survive in the environment. And they have a special symmetry called pentaradial symmetry, which means their bodies are arranged into 5-part patterns. And they are able to reproduce sexually. And the males and females looks very different. Overall, Echinodermata is a fascinating group that live in ocean in some amazing ways.
And we'll miss one. We'll miss the group.
Sir?
It's mollusca. So
Molluscas. They are living terrestrial. They are living terrestrial, freshwater as well as marine habits. Snails, octopus, chitons are examples for them. So molluscas are the multicellular, cryptoblastic and soft-bodied animals. Their body is divided into head, muscular foot and visceral mass.
Disconnected.
In addition, they not divided into segments. So the important thing is that they are not the male or female. That there is the male or female, and of course they will have organism, and that one is sexual reproduction. So
guys, you didn't eat this. Come and eat this. Come. Take and eat.
Oh, this gigantic mosquito doesn't stop biting me. Jerome,
Manya, do you know to which phylum mosquitoes belong to?
isn't it Arthropoda?
That's right. Arthropoda has the highest number of organisms in the species of Animalia, and it is insecta. For example, scorpions, millipede, centipede, and I belong to that group. Arthropods are triplolars, coelomy, and possess jointed limbs. And they are bilaterally symmetrical. Most of them can fly, and most of them can fly as well as some can. And they are many of them possess wings. And the main thing is that there are male and female organisms. So, and they carry out sexual reproduction.
Huh, that means there's a female mosquito and male mosquito.
Definitely.
Then which mosquito bites you, Mahima?
Definitely a female one, right?
So we learned about move and weight journey. So this is the end of this animals planet, and this is the old.
But sir, how can we go to a normal world again?
Do you want to go again?
Yeah, sir, actually.
Follow me. I'll find the bag.
Let's remember that every living thing is connected, every species plays a vital role, and every action has the power to shape the future. So, let's cherish this precious planet and protect these wonders and write the next chapter for the life together with hope, curiosity, and a deep appreciation for the life complexity of life on Earth. Thank you.
Dear audience and honorable judges, now your minds are full of facts and it's true, a backbone, it's true, a backbone, it's true. Fish, mammal, birds, and reptiles too, and amphibians they do. Vertebrates, strong and tall, invertebrates, no backbone at all. From big to small, they're all around. Living creatures can be found. Invertebrates don't have a spine, don't have a spine, don't have a spine, don't have a spine. Insects, spiders, and worms are fine. They crawl, swim, or climb. Vertebrates, strong and tall, invertebrates, no